guys, this is me. Yes, GAUTAM Patel guys. Today I am going to do conversation with Soham Attarde guys. First of all, I would like to give my introduction. My name is Yash GAUTAM Patel. My school name is Arjun English High School. As well as I am the student of Best of English Training Classes Academy. I want to become a pilot till 2031, 22nd Feb. And my topic is my journey from zero to hero. So first of all, before going ahead, I would like to request Soham Attarde. Soham Attarde, will you introduce yourself?
Yes, so my name is Som Ujjwal Attarde and I am the student of 0 English Academy from Diamond Bags, and also I am learning in 7th standard from RGC English High School from English medium, and my dream is to become an English confident. 16 August 2023 is my birthday, and my ambition is to become an IAS officer in 2035. So I would like to request to Yash Panpati, please go ahead.
Okay. So guys, today my topic name is my journey. So today I am going to discuss about that with Soham Attarde. So I have prepared some points. So let's go on that. So first point is that what was my biggest challenge before joining Zero to Hero? I can say that there was thousands of the challenges before joining my class. Means what happened one day means I was not understanding anything. Means what teacher is teaching me, or teacher is shouting on me, or teacher is appreciating me, or teacher is teaching me a lesson, or explaining us a lesson, or etc etc. Means see when I means this was very biggest problem for me. Means see, if you want to play any game, any means just like you can say the cricket. If you want to play cricket, so first thing is that you should know the rules. You should understand the rules. But that thing I was not having idea. I was not understanding anything. So it was my biggest problem in my life. So and I overcome that challenge also after joining Zero to Hero. My next point is that I would like to say my turning point. I joined this Zero to Hero class. Then afterwards, I was coming, sitting, going, sleeping. Sorry, it's wrong. I was coming, sleeping, directly sleeping. I was just sleeping and just going. Means like this I was doing, and then my turning point when I sir told me you should Yash, now you are bigger, now you should do some assignments also. Then yeah, I said to my father, to my sir that yes sir, I will do. So I asked sir asked me that with whom you would like to do assignment. So I think for 5 to 6 seconds. Then I told my favorite teacher, Shraddha Padalman. She can give me more knowledge what I have till now. So I would like. So then afterwards, I called her, and then I specially meet her, and I told her that do you have time? Are you free? Can you give me your precious time, 10 minutes? So she spoke. Okay, yes, no problem. I can give you. No, there is no any fault. So we came and just we were giving the speech. When we started our assignment, then I asked her one question. Suddenly I asked her one question. How to become English confident? How to become English confident quicker, faster and better? So she told me these two mantras. Two mantras you can say. First is practice. Practice is guys most important in our life, because if you want to do anything, if you want to learn a bicycle, for that also practice is important. First you have to drive that bicycle at home. If you fall down, then you can just bleed, you will hurt it. So first thing is that you have to drive at home, then afterwards slowly you can take that bicycle on the ground, then afterwards slowly you can just go on highway. That if you will go directly highway, so accident can possible. So same in English also, if you will go directly on grand finale, problem will create. Guys, listen me that if you want to take action, so there are some steps, you just follow that, you will get the way of the success. So just that, and it was my second point. And third point is that how I will achieve my goal. It's very very important, guys. Means students are there, they went in graduation, they don't know what I want to become, what they want to become, they don't know. It's the biggest problem in their life, or in their body, or in their brain, or in their every part. So this thing we should know. So I would like to tell you what I want to become. I want to become a pilot till 2031. Already I have spoken in my introduction. So I'm going to tell you how I will become. First, I will complete my 10th. After 10th, I will choose the commerce. Then afterwards I will go my field. I want to become a pilot. In that field, I will choose one college, so then I will go in that. Then afterwards I will complete my their I will complete my whole study there. Then afterwards, slowly I will get some more knowledge how to become a pilot. And then afterwards I can ask my professor, or I can ask my teacher, or I can ask my sir that how I can become a pilot easy way, and she can give me the more knowledge what I have now. So just like that, slowly then I can face some challenges. So but I will overcome that, don't take tension. Then afterwards, then slowly then I will complete my whole the study. Then when the time will come for training, then I will show who am I. So then I will show there how I am English confident. And then see, for in the beginning we have to just be a silent. We should be silent, because see, if teacher is there, so if she will see us, or she can face us very well. It should not happen. We should just in the starting we should silent. Then slowly we should tell them who am I. Then after, then slowly, yes, I would like to tell you one incident also. Police officer, I would like to tell, ACP, assistant commissioner of police. They the same, means after becoming police, they show there who am I. Then you can see that how police behave, what is their behavior, and how much strict they are. If you will ask them teachers that how was this man, I can say, uh, how was this guy? He became a police. How was this guy? You can 100% she will tell he was very silent boy. He was not talking anything. We have to just show. So like this only we can achieve our goal. So like this slowly. So thank you for listening my speech. I would like to request Soham. Soham, will you introduce not? Will you tell your opinion of these 3 points?
Okay, your opinion is very nice. You want to become pilot. Definitely, you should know process, because if you will go in arts, how you will become. So you should know process. I would like to tell my first point, challenges. So on fifth standard, when I was in fifth standard, so that time in English paper I got many less marks. As we can say B2, B2 marks I got, grade B2. So I think one day, and while thinking, one friend came to me. One friend came to me, and after that, he told me, you can join the English speaking class. There is one class near the station, Ulasnagar station, near Ambika temple. You can go there and you can inquire and you can join. So I went there with my parents, and I took their admissions. I took their admission in that class. After means joining this class, I got the improvement of speaking, that I was not able to speak any word in English when I was in fifth standard. But now, because of activities, because of sir's guidance, now I am able to speak in English. And also, I am the student of level 3, so definitely I will keep doing this journey, and I will learn English very well. I know that if I will follow this search process, definitely I am going to achieve anything. My second point is that my turning point. Turning point means what? What I get transformation. See, when I was doing activities, so one day I came And like this years, I saw only the teachers, not sleeping. Huh? I saw only teachers, and second day also pass, third day also pass, and fourth day, my mother tell me every student is doing activities. Why you are not? You can also try to do. Just audio so audio, you can try to do. So I asked to Shital ma'am how to do videos, how to make the video very confidently, how to share the message in a short way. So I asked to that, and like this my journey started. Till now I had completed my 300, I can say my 300 above 70 videos I had done because of this consistency. Because consistency has that power to do from us anything. I repeat once again, consistency has that power to do anything from we. Anything, it will be done if we are consistent. I would like to give here example of doctor. Doctor every day wakes up early in morning. If he can't go to clinic or hospital, their patients will be not fine because people have any fever, cold, so they came to doctor, and then doctor will take holiday. So how the our world will run? Because many diseases are coming. Best example I can give of coronavirus. There was a lockdown, and all doctors and all medical stores were playing. Why? Because there they want to, that means I want to say here, they want to finish this disease from the people. And now our world is very nice. Our world has not any of the disease, only of the fever and only cold cough. So this consistency has that power. Third point I would like to tell my goal. My goal is to become an IAS officer in my future till 2035. And for that, what I required? So in 10th, first I have to pass my 10th. After that, I will pass my 12th standard. Then I will do graduation in engineering, or some of the graduation courses are there. It will help me. That graduation only I will take. After that, one exam available, UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. So that I will pass, and really guys, that exam is really tough exam. In interview, you will found selected only the 10 lakhs people, means more than 10 lakhs people form, fill up the form, and only of the 200 people became IAS officer. That much tough exam is that, and we have to face that. So this is my all about clearation of goal. So I would like to request to Yash Patil, please continue this conversation.
Okay, yes, I like your one thing that you told about consistency. Yes, and first of all, I would like to clap to him. He had come. He is in sixth standard now. He went in seventh standard. He completed, guys, 300 videos. 300 videos. What is the need of him? What is the need of him? There are so many graduate people. They are thinking, may I make a video? May I start doing activities? But this guy, he is in seventh standard. He is in seventh standard, and he is saying to people how to achieve your goal. He is seventh standard guy. It's very miracle, you can say. These people only can become successful. Yes, he told that UPSC, Union Public Service Commissioner. Yes, it is toughest exam in the world, you can say, and really. And first thing, I would like to give you an example also, that what consistency in water and rock, always water wins. Water and rock, always water wins, not because of his strength, not because of his strength, because of his consistency. So just that only. And so thank you guys for being with us, and thank you Soham Attarde for interviewed by me. And first of Sorry. So, thank you, Soham Attarde, for receiving my call. Sorry, thank you, Soham Attarde, for interviewed by me. So, thank you to guys for you also. Thank you.
Thank you.